We're sharing simple and budget-friendly tips on how to get the most out of your groceries. First, you gotta make a plan. Grocery shopping can be overwhelming without a list. And the feeling you get when you get home and you forget one thing. Before heading to the store, get started on your list with choosehomemade.org. The Choose Homemade recipe website makes it easy to create grocery lists. It even has a handy tool to help scale recipes up or down, making them just right for your family. While making your list, look for weekly specials online. Zucchini's on sale? Let's find a few zucchini recipes. ChooseHomemade.org makes it easy to search their recipes by specific ingredients. Find a recipe with some ingredients that don't fit on your list this week? Try replacing them with another option. The recipe calls for bell peppers, but broccoli's on sale this week? No problem. Just swap it out. Remember, recipes are just guidelines. It's okay to color outside the lines and swap ingredients. Learn more at ChooseHomemade.org.